Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to edit your PDF file on the most easy way. I'm using ilovepdf.com and I found a very high recommended way how you can edit your PDF files. So click here on edit PDF, select PDF file, go to downloads. Let's say I want to edit my own merchandise style, and here, if you can see, this is your PDF file. Now sometimes if you have a nice contract, you need to sign it in a PDF file, and there is no way how you can do this. With this, it's very easy. We select here the draw, we make here a sign, and we just give a sign on the PDF file. Now we click on edit PDF, download PDF. And right now, if I click here on this PDF file, you can see that we just edited the PDF file with a nice sign. So if you need to sign a contract or something, this is the best way how you can do this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.